Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can close Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, click on Apps, select Default Apps, and tap on one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on an app that you wish to apply, in my case, Opera Mini. And when you're ready, tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!